Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning of Monday, and we are at the 23rd of June, 2025, 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Well, you would think the markets would have gone berserk over the U.S. attack on Iran, and nothing could be further from the truth. Let's start with the oil. Up 19 cents. I mean, nothing. In WTI, up 33 cents a barrel. In Brent, that's not much of a move. And even with this heat dome that we have, you're down 9 cents in natural gas. And natural gas is one of the markets also that could be impacted if Iran decided to shut the Strait of Hormuz, which would be economic suicide for them, let alone political. Why? Because their main customer for oil, which is sanctioned everywhere, is China. And if they shut that down, well, now they get no income from China, probably no support. So at this point, I am certain on the phone the Chinese are going, no, if you shut that down, we will be buying from elsewhere. It'll be more money, and you got a problem with us. The bonds and notes, a small bid, but is that because of PMI out this morning or something else? Stock market. Take a look at this. Does that look to you like the U.S. is at war with Iran and we just did a series of bombing? If you think so, I'm not in your camp. Gold down $2. Yeah, I agree. Everything tried the upside early, but it's since given that all up. The dollar is up, but not dramatic. 59 points is what you'd get after a Fed meeting. So it's nothing huge there. Most currencies down against it. And in the grain markets, rain and sunshine make rain. And as you could see, most of this is lower, even with the heat dome. Because we're going to be in the 90s. The extreme part of everything will move out in 2 days out of the Midwest. That doesn't mean they won't stay warm, 85 to 90. But folks, it's summer. That's what summertime is. So, got to take a look at this all and understand a couple of things. Number one, those that bought for the war and the pop that you got right afterwards, if they were smart, they took some money off. Now everybody's just looking and trying to figure out, okay, what is Iran going to do? Number two, what happened to all that uranium? There were trucks, as you can imagine, lined up at the Fort O plant, carrying something out of there. Now, why Israel didn't hit them, why the U.S., could be that if you hit them and they had uranium, you contaminate the area. Don't know. The Khomeini is in hiding at this point. Nobody has come to the rescue of Iran, including, so far, their proxies. The world is concerned about cells that might be in the United States that they activate to cause terrorism, cyber attacks. Who knows what they're going to do? But the situation is one where the worst case scenarios did not take place, and that's the important thing. The next thing that will happen is Israel has to make a decision. If these facilities were taken out, why are they continuing then to bomb Tehran? And why are they receiving all those missiles coming at them? The situation has tamed itself down. It's probably time to end that. So my guess is Israel's going to hit as many areas as it can to topple the government. Their goal is very different than the United States. They want a regime change. That's not the United States plan. The United States will let their own people make that decision. We wanted to stop them from getting an atomic weapon, and we may not have succeeded. We don't know enough yet to make that decision. In terms of where we're at in the markets today, you're going to get at 8:45 the S&P Global Group, their June manufacturing sector PMI. Existing home sales will be coming out at 9. And we have 3 Fed presidents, 4 of them today, that'll be talking. I'm sure they'll be asked questions as they speak about what's going on. The Fed's job is not to be involved in the politics. It's to react to how those politics may or may not impact inflation and labor in the United States. Remember, we'll be publishing news all day about this, and how you get that is so simple. You just go to our website at iraepstein.com. Right up through here, you'll see an icon that you can click. Same over here. And you got 2 of them, and that'll take you to our free offers. Get our newsletters. I'm Ira. You have yourself a great day. I'll catch up with you at the end of the day as we do our market wrap-ups. Let's see. So far, Big surprise with lack of volatility. Take care.